Hello students, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss TSBIE Junior Inter English Practical Internal Assessment paper, internal assessment test for practicals. 20 marks practicals will be held for 20 marks, theory exam for 80 marks now onwards. For IPE March 2024 onwards, first year theory 80 marks, practical 20 marks, minimum pass mark 7 marks. So this is a practical examination paper, internal practical only. So how many sections are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 sections are there. Each one carries 4 marks. Okay. The last one is record writing only, record 4 marks. But here we go now. The first one, respond to the following questions based on communicative functions suitably. So you have to answer the invigilator, your lecturer will be asking, external or internal, he will be asking you some questions like this. Briefly, you have to speak, you have to answer. This is oral test, okay? This is oral speaking skills. You borrowed your friend's camera, unfortunately, you broke it. How would you tender your apology to him? My sincere apology to you, okay? I am extremely sorry, I have broken your camera, okay, like that. So you have to give brief sentences, right? Imagine you are a bank employee, you have some domestic urgency at home. How will you ask for permission to leave the bank early on a particular day? So you are asking your boss for the permission to go home little bit early due to some domestic urgency at home, okay? Excuse me sir, could you please permit me to go home early today? I have some domestic urgency, like that, okay? Could you please give me permission to go home early today, like that. So in the beginning only this type of exercises are given in your this practical manual, okay? So only one you have to answer, right? Sorry, four questions, for each one carries 1 mark. So briefly one sentence you have to answer, okay? Now come to the second one. Pick out one of the slips from the basket offered by the examiner. Speak in English for a minute on the jam topic you find in the slip. So this is a draw system, lucky draw system. So he will be picking, just like practical science practicals, the invigilator will be, the examiner will be picking one slip for you from the basket, and you will be getting one topic like this. So you have to speak for 1 minute without any pause, without any mistakes, for a minute. This is called just a minute jam. Just a minute jam. My favorite teacher, my favorite subject, my favorite festival, my favorite movie, Independence Day. Okay, like that. So many topics are given in this book. This is also oral. This is also to test your speaking skills. First one also speaking skills. This one also speaking skills. Now the third one, role play is a model of conversation. The examiner gives you a topic dividing students into groups. You are asked to perform the role play with your partner or partners. This is role play, students and politics. So you have to speak to your friends, 2 members, 3 members, like that. So students are divided into groups. The examiner will be dividing you among groups. Group wise topic is given. You have to discuss with your friends. Hi friend, how are you? Today we are going to discuss students and politics. What would you say? So I opine that students should not enter into politics. Then the other one says, no, it's not correct. They have to enter into politics. They must have some knowledge from the beginning only. They must know about our constitution, about our rights, about our basic rights, fundamental rights, like that some other says. So this is a role play. This is also speaking skill. Then what's the difference between this one and this one? Second one, third one. This is individual. This is group. Individual activity, this one. And this one is group activity. That is the difference. Okay. So speaking, first one is oral. This is also oral. This is also oral. Now come to the fourth one. This is purely listening skills. Listen to the tape script read out or played on an audio device, and then questions will be displayed on the blackboard. The passage will be read out or played a second time again, then write the answers on the answer script. Write the answers. So you will be listening to one passage with the help of any audio system like computer or laptop or mobile phone, at least mobile phone also, you'll be listening to one passage on this device. Second time also, two times. So it will be read out for you two times. రెండు సార్లు చదువుతారు ఆ ప్యాసేజ్ని. And some questions are displayed on the blackboard. So after listening to this passage, you have to write the answers in your answers booklet. You have to write the answers for the questions given on the blackboard. Okay, after listening you have to write. This is to improve your listening skills as well as writing skills. Purely, first of all, they want to test your listening skills. First three questions, speaking skills. Fourth one is listening skills. Okay, this is the passage, and this is the just like comprehension passage. This is the passage, and these are the questions. Very easy. 4 marks. Now come to the last one, purely writing skills. English practical record book. You have to write one record, communicative functions, 5 exercises. So all these topics are given in this book only. Communicative functions, just a minute jam, role play, listening comprehension. So 5 you have to write. 4 from the handbook, from this book only, 1 from outside, from 1 on your own. Your lecturer will be guiding you. Jam, 4 from the handbook, 1 from outside on your own. Role play, at least 2 students as a pair. 5 exercises, same, 4 from this handbook and 1 outside the handbook. Listening comprehension, 3 from the handbook, 2 from outside. 3 passages from this book, 2 passages outside second year or any other book, like that. Okay, so 5 questions, 5 4s are 20 marks. Minimum pass marks is 7 marks. However, you will be getting 4 out of 4 mostly here. Okay, record 4 out of 4 you will be getting 4 or 3, and minimum 3 or 4, remaining 3 or 4 you have to score in these topics. So everyone will score 19 to 20 marks, chances are there, but it is a very good intention, very good idea to improve your listening, speaking, writing skills. Okay, so you will be benefited out of these practicals. Okay, if you use them, utilize them properly, right? So this is the new textbook for TSBIE first year English practical examination paper, sample paper. So I will be uploading videos on new textbook also, new pattern also. Please keep watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching my videos. See you very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind.